Let's do a small lap and see if this thing can follow me without running into anything. I've got up very high because it's up very high because I don't want it to run into any trees. Why is it wobbly? It's got too much weight up top, that's why. Okay, it's recording. What am I hitting? That thing up there, okay. Okay, alright, let's go. Let's go for a drive. See what happens. It's following me. I'm doing 24 kilometers an hour and it's following me. Runs into a tree, I'll soon know about it, won't I? Hey, it's doing alright, doing 27 kilometers an hour and keeping up, hey? You reckon? You reckon it's doing alright? I reckon it is. I wouldn't try to do much more. Still got me. Wonder if I can do something silly, still got me. 30 kilometers an hour. It's keeping up, dude. 40k an hour. It's keeping up. How cool is this? An hour. Let's track me through the bush. Here's a clearing.